Hey everyone, today's video I will guide you on how to start an LLC in New Jersey. After watching this video, you can launch your own limited liability company in New Jersey using an app called Busy. I'll provide you with every up-to-date information that you need to know with Busy and the tools that you need to successfully establish your business. So first of all, you have to dive into busy.com. As you can see, this is the homepage. You have here various information, but before, let's know what is Busy and why we use Busy. Busy offers a suite of tools for project management, team collaboration, and workflow optimization, all in one intuitive interface. Whether you are a startup or a well-established company, Busy helps you boost productivity, enhance communication, and drive growth. Embrace the future of efficient business management with Busy, where simplicity meets innovation. So the first thing that you have to do is click over from your free LLC now, then you click over here, start now over, and then you choose your entity type. So of course LLC, then we have here state New Jersey, which once you do that, you have just to scroll down and you choose your package. Now the first one is basic, so and it's for free as you can see, but you have to pay for state fee and it's $130 as you can see, and it's for 3 weeks. And we have your prepare and fill in the articles of organization, and we have a free first year registered agent service. Also we have online access dashboard, business banking account offer, and business tax consultation. Then about the second one, we have standard $199, and we have to pay for state fee. It's 113. So of the total we have $329, and it's for three weeks. So this package we have here business tax number that we don't have in the first, operating agreement also here we don't have it, and we have here lifetime compliance alerts, unlimited phone and email support, and then we have form 2553. Then we have the last package, which is premium. You have to pay $299 plus $113 for state fee, so it's for $429, and it's for 1 day. About this one, we have here expedited filling, so we have all these characteristics, and we have business contract templates. We have also domain name plus business email, and that's it for this one. So we choose your package, then you click over get started. Once you do that, you have to write your personal information like LLC name here. I will write, like for example, Mike LLC, and you have to choose here LLC. So you can choose LLC, a limited liability co. So I will choose LLC, of course. Then you have to write business purpose. So for example, I will write selling clothes, for example. Then you click over next. Once you do that, you have to right now provide the name of the person responsible for this order, whom we may contact if additional information is needed. So you write your first name, your last name, and then your email address, and then your mobile phone. Once you do that, you will find other page, which is company address information. About this one, we have just to choose between professional business address and virtual mail service. No, sorry, we have professional business address and virtual mail, and use my own address. About this one, you have to pay $29 per month, and his benefits mentioned previously by using a commercial address, a limited scanned incoming mail, physical address for your business, and instant alerts with 7 hours per day access to your mail online. So I will choose the second one. Then you have to write your personal information like street address, city, you select your state, New Jersey, and zip code also. Then you click over next. Once you do that, you have just right now to select number of members. Please provide members information for my LLC. So I will choose one, of course, and I will link my personal information again, and I will click over next. Then we have registered agent information. In this step, we have New Jersey requires an LLC to appoint a registered agent. Only Busy offers 1 full year of registered agent service free with every new business formation order. We have here a 119 value, and we have here typical documents received by a registered agent can include service of process, and we have state correspondence. So I will choose the first one, assign Busy as my registered agent for free for 1 year, and we have here I would like to act as my registered agent, so you have to link your personal information again. So I will choose the first one, then I will click over next, and I will find this page which is tax identification number information. So about this one, an employer identification number is a 9-digit number that is assigned by the IRS can use to identify taxpayers will apply and obtain your N from the IRS electronically. This option is the fastest way to obtain. So I will click over yes, and I will click over I agree. Then I will link my personal information again, and I will click over next again. Then we have the next page, which is setting up small business banking. About this one, you have just to click over yes, I'm interested, or you can also click over ask me later, and you would have to pass or to the next page, which is tax strategy and free consultation. About this one, you have just to click over I'm not interested at this time. If you're interested, you have to click over yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation. Once you do that, you click over next again, and then we have business licenses and permits. In this page you have just to click over no thanks, I will do the work myself. If you don't need to, the team of license specialists will conduct research for you, or they will determine all the license and permits you need to stay compliant, receive the applications along with a guide to the next steps via email, and you have to pay $99. So I will choose the first one, of course. Then you click over next. Once you do that, you have to right now to modify your information. If you did a mistake, you can just click over edit and you modify your mistakes, and then you click over next after your verification. Then we have the last step, it's bill information. You can choose people first, or you can choose credit card again. About credit card information, you can just link your personal information like card number and expiry date, CVV, CVC, and here we have all address, country, street address, city, state, zip code. Once you do that, you click over, then here I go to the legal statement and cancellation policy. You have to read this policy, and then you click over complete and pay, and you pay $429. So it's the total. Also, we have here other information like additional explanation, what is the cancellation policy for my order. So you can just click over here and you get your answers. Can I edit my order after it's been placed? What happens after I pay? How can I track my order? So this is it. So as you guys can see, with the help of Busy, you can create your own LLC in New Jersey with the straightforward guided process, not to mention how affordable and hassle-free it is. I hope this video has made the process and clearer and more manageable for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and more business types and tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below, and I will be happy to help you to help have a fantastic day ahead.